In this age of intelligence, your driving experience deserves an upgrade. Now, we're about to take you on a new journey of intelligent driving, upgrading the original CarPlay or Android Auto to Android 13.0 system. Ensure that the metal contacts are facing down when inserting the SIM card and microSD card. Before using the product, tear off the protective film. Attach the product to the car window, then use a plastic pry bar to neatly organize the wires. Connect the other end of the cable to the product's car machine interconnection port. The car machine can jump to Android 13.0 after reading the product. The Android 13.0 system offers stronger performance and smoother operation, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of technology while driving. 1080p high-definition recording, capturing every detail in daylight or at night.